If you think you're not technical enough to make money with AI, this video might surprise you. You don't need to code or understand how AI works. If you can click, type, and copy-paste, you're qualified. Welcome to Purposefully AI. Most people get stuck before they ever begin, thinking AI is too intimidating or technical. But the truth is, making money with AI is for everyone. Making money with AI does not require technical skills. It requires simple systems and a laser focus on outcomes. The biggest myth is that you need to build AI, create algorithms, or understand how models work. The real money is not in building AI. The money is in using AI to replace effort. Businesses pay for results, content, videos, emails, and speed. AI is simply the shortcut. Non-technical people often do better because they focus on outcomes, not complexity. Your value is knowing what to ask for and how to package the AI output. Let me show you 3 non-technical ways people are already making money with AI. Starting with AI writing services. People pay daily for product descriptions, social media captions, email drafts, and blog outlines. And you don't write these yourself. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. Your role is to use a proven prompt, adjust the tone if needed, and deliver clean, professional output. Speed is the product here. The second income stream is AI video and content creation. With the right tools, you can turn text into videos, create short-form content, and repurpose blog posts into clips. You assemble, not film or edit. Businesses need constant content, and AI allows you to deliver it faster than traditional creators. This is an easy path to consistently earning significant side income. The third non-technical path is creating AI templates and digital products. Templates sell because people want shortcuts. Use AI to create Notion planners, resume templates, email sequences, and social media content packs. You build these once and sell them repeatedly. No client calls, no technical setup, and no advanced skills needed. Just structure and consistency. Every non-technical AI income stream follows the same simple formula. Problem to AI tool to output, output to payment. To start today, pick one outcome people already pay for. Use AI to deliver it faster than average and offer it on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy. Offer your AI-powered services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, or Gumroad. Momentum beats perfection every time, so start now and improve as you go. You don't need to be technical to make money with AI. You need simple systems and the willingness to start. That's all it takes to build real income. Download the free AI Money Starter Kit guide, linked below, for exact beginner workflows and prompts. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for more daily videos.